So we are discussing the divisibility rules of 3 and 9. What does this rule say? Suppose you have given any number, suppose 6, 4, 2, 3, 5. Now in this number you have as many 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The rule says you have to find the sum of the digits. So what is the sum of the digits? You have to add all the digits. 6, 4, 2, 3, 5. So if you sum all this, you will get 10, 12, 15, 20. Now the sum, you have to see the sum. Is it divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. And is it divisible by 9? No, it is not divisible by 9. That means it is not divisible by 3 or 9. So that means this particular number is not divisible by 3 and 9. Now let us take another example. Suppose this particular number 372, here we have 3 digits. So first find the sum of the digits. So we'll get 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Now this is divisible by 3. But is it divisible by 9? No. Divisible by 3 but not by 9. Now that means the number 372 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. So it is not necessary that a number which is divisible by 3 has to be divisible by 9. So it may not be. But if a number is divisible by 9, then it has to be divisible by 3. Now take one more example. Now here see the sum. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. Now this is divisible by 3 also, 9 also. By 3 and 9. So that means the number 6723 is divisible both by 3 and 9. Now, why I have taken this as common? Because the rule is same. The first thing is that you have to find out the sum of these two digits. Then you have to check that sum whether it is divisible by 3 or 9. Suppose it is divisible by 3, and it is not necessary that if it is divisible by 3, it has to be divisible by 9. But in case if it is divisible by 9, then it is obviously divisible by 3. Now rule of 5 and 10. For 5, last digit of a number must be either 0 or 5. Suppose you take this example 100. Last digit is 0, so that means this is divisible by 5. Suppose this is one number 85. What is the last digit? 5. So that means this number is divisible by 5. So only you need to see the last digit, if it is 0 or maybe it may be 5. So in that case it is divisible by 5. Now for rule of 10, a thing is common in between these two rules. for rule of 10, last digit of the number must be 0. For example, 100 last digit is 0, so that means this is divisible by 10. But 85 last digit is 5, so this is not divisible by 10. So here also you think a number may be divisible by 5, but it may not be divisible by 10. But in case if it is divisible by 10, then it has to be divisible by 5. Because the rule says one thing is common in both the rule. The last digit 0. If the last digit is 0, it is divisible both by 10 and 5. But in case it is last digit is 5, it is only divisible by 5. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.